So that's the Mambo in the same wind as the SJRC S30W, and that's the controller on the floor. You see it's going up and down a little bit, but it's more or less holding position okay. Spot on, look. Just tilting over to the side a little bit. It's gusting well over 10 miles an hour. It's very open here as well. Just coming down a little bit. It's just going up and down very, very slightly. So that's just on the optical flow system. Same system that's on the Bebop. There's no GPS on this one. So it's pretty much locked on, pretty solid.